A full high-definition gallery of the Galaxy S10 has emerged, and at this point, they should just give us the phone. According to some reports, we could also see a 5G variant of the Galaxy F, at least in some countries, and Vivo is bringing their own portless phone with the 2019 Apex, and it looks very good. I'm Jaime Rivera, and join me in celebrating that today is Thursday, for obvious reasons tomorrow. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. If you're in the market for a new iPad, but you don't want to go for the latest one because you want to save a buck or two, save $250 and go to Best Buy because they've got the 10.5-inch variant for cheap. And then, we also have MacBook Pros that are also significantly discounted. Obviously, it depends on the specifications you're looking for, but it's a 4-day deal thing. I mean, Apple, we don't recognize you. Now, let's talk about Apple a little more and the company's future when it comes to manufacturing parts. I mean, the company is making its own chips. Now it seems they want to make their own batteries. The company has just hired a high-level executive from Samsung, and it seems that the company is investing in cobalt and a ton of things to be able to make its own batteries. We don't really have a time frame for this, but let's hope that wasn't the guy in charge of the Galaxy Note 7. Now let's talk about the 2019 Vivo Apex. I mean, you saw Brandon's review on the regular initial Vivo Apex. It innovated with that slide-out camera. Now the innovation from Vivo is a phone without ports, pretty much like what we saw from Meizu. The specifications are reportedly crazy: 12 gigs of RAM, in addition to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, and 5G support, meaning we're not exactly sure when we're getting that phone. And speaking of 5G, let's talk about Galaxy F. I mean, we don't know what this product is going to look like, when we're going to get it. We hear MWC, but the thing about it is there are reports that there is a 5G variant. And I wonder really if there's a point in launching a variant that's not 5G, meaning it's either connected or not. Whatever the case may be, stay tuned. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with a full-blown gallery of prototypes of the Samsung Galaxy S10 in its 3 variants: S10 E, S10, and S10 Plus. Wow. I mean, there is no room for imagination anymore. The phones look gorgeous. The finishes look fantastic. I'm actually not complaining about what I see. I highly recommend you look at all the photos in the gallery. And the problem is the price tag. I mean, reportedly the S10E is going to cost around $800, the E. So they're saying that the Plus is going to cost around $1,600. I doubt that's going to work for you, Sammy, if that's the case. But let us know in the comments down below, 1, if you like them, and 2, how much would you be willing to pay? Because in my case, I mean, I think Apple has proven this year that charging too much for phones is not a good idea. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.